Subject English. Subtopic Grammar. Hello students, I am Elspeth Sibi and today we are going to learn the chapter Homophones. See, you can see my slide. There is two things, paired and paired. Now let us learn the chapter in detail. Words that sound alike but are spelled differently and have different meanings are called homophones. See, break, break. The pronunciation is same, but both have different meaning. Break means when you're tired and you need a break, you need a cup of tea. And the other one is B-R-A-K-E. That means to apply the brake on scooter or on a car. Die, die. Die means the plant, you can see in my image, the plant is dying. And the other dye is which you apply on the head, on the hair. Knot, knot. Knot means when you tie the knot together. And the other meaning is when you don't want to do something. Blue, blue. Blue means to blow the balloon. And the other one is blue. The color is blue. Great, great. Great means when you have done a good work. And great means to grate a carrot or a beetroot, etc. Students, let us see more example. Heel means the back of one's foot, whereas heel means to become healthy or normal again. You can see my slide. Heel means on the shoes, the lady's shoes or the lady chappal. Now you can see the other one is heel. That means when person has got a cut and you have to apply the bandage. Fill in the blanks with the correct words from the pairs given in the brackets. Mr. Manotra stays by the side of sea. He can see it all the day. See? The pronunciation is same, but both have different meaning. Students, now let us see the next example. If you don't apply the car dash on time, the tail lights of the car ahead may dash. So what is the answer? Yes, if you don't apply the car brake. And what is the spelling of brake? B-R-A-K-E. The tail lights of the car ahead may break. B-R-E-A-K. The dash came all the way to the edge of the forest, looking for his dash friend, the rabbit. Yes, the deer came all the way to the edge of the forest, looking for his dear friend, the rabbit. Very good, children. I will soon buy the latest book written by Ruskin Bond. So, children, don't get confused between buy, B-U-Y and B-Y. Write a name in the top right hand corner of the sheet, said the teacher. The naughty boy blew the blue whistle and disturbed the gathering. Gathering means a meeting. You know how a whistle blows, the sound of a whistle, it's irritating. So he had disturbed, the naughty boy disturbed the gathering, the meeting. Take the correct word. The teacher asks, can everybody hear me? H-E-R-E. When you call a person to a place, it's called hear. And the other one is H-E-R-A-R. It means, can everybody listen to me? My mother made pizzas for dinner last night. See, maid means the servant and maid means when you cook the food. A week has 7 days. See, there are two given down. Week means when a person can't, is not keeping well. And the week means Monday to Sunday. Write words that pronounce in the same way as the ones given below but are spelled differently. Here I have the slide for you. Let us read. Bear, the trees are already bare. Bear, I am afraid of bears. Boat, after a while I got bored and left. I will write it up on the board. Be quiet. A bee is buzzing around. Beach, it's a nice day for going to the beach. Beach, the great beaches towered up towards the sky. Bean, Tom doesn't like green beans. Bean, I will never been to Japan. Blue, she liked blue dresses. Blue, she blew onto a coffee to cool it down. See children, don't get confused between the sentence and write the spelling correctly. Wait, wait. Wait means when you tell a person to wait, when you're busy in particular work. And the other wait means the wait of a person. No, no. No means when you tell a certain thing when you don't want a thing. And no, the other no means when you know everything. I, I. I means it's a body part and the other I is when you tell a person, I am great. Race, race. Race means to raise the hand. And the other race means when you have racing with your friends. See in my image, the friends are racing. Find out the difference in meaning between the words of each pair and make sentences with them. See children, homophone is divided into two. Homo means same, phone means sound. That means the sentence which has the same sound but different meaning. Caught, policeman caught the thief. Caught, I brought a new caught. See in my image how the police is catching the thief. That means caught. Now see the other side. Cot means it's like a bed. See the baby is in the cot. Exercise 1. Fill in the blanks with correct word from the brackets. The boy threw the ball through the open window. Threw means to throw something. And where did he throw the ball? From the open window. Cool winds blew over the blue sea. Blue means it's air. And blue means the color. The color of the sea is blue. Our parents will be back in an hour. Our parents they have gone somewhere to the market or somewhere else. And the children is saying, they'll come in an hour. Some boys found the sum difficult. In the class, there were some boys. And what did they find? The sum as difficult. It's a max sum and they found it difficult. Exercise 2. Write words that are pronounced in the same way as the ones given below but spelled differently. Bear, bear. Bear is an animal and the other one means if you have a pain or any difficulty to bear that. Here is a homework for you. Let us see what is your homework. Frame pairs of such sentences with the words given below. I will give you some sentences. You have to make frame sentences. Let us see the sentence.
Students, you have to frame your own sentence. Aloud, aloud. See the spelling and then frame the sentence. Allowed means when you make some noise, and allowed means when you give a permission to someone to do certain things.
Sail, sail. So students, I hope you understood the chapter. Thank you.